Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's see if I remember how to do this. In today's video, we will be making a delicious mango sago recipe. Remember, for all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box. Now, let's get started. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is add my sago to some water. You want to make sure that the sago is covered under the water. You're going to give that a stir, and we're going to place it on the side and allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. And after about 10 minutes, you're going to add the sago to your pot, and we're going to cook it on medium to low heat. Now, after adding the sago to your pot, you want to make sure that you stir it so that it doesn't form lumps or it doesn't stick together. You also want to make sure that there is enough water in your pot. Now, once the sago come up to a boil, you're going to allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. After it's boiled for 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to turn your stove off and allow it to come back down to room temperature. Our goal is to allow the sago to sit until it becomes nice and translucent, as you see here in the video. Now, our next step is to get rid of all the liquid. We're just going to be using the sago pearl. So you want to strain this with your strainer, and you're going to rinse it off to get rid of all the other excess starch. You will then place it on the side until you're ready for it. Other ingredients I will be using today is some sweetened condensed milk, unsweetened coconut milk, evaporated milk, and some heavy whipping cream. And we can have our mango sago without mango. So here I have my mango. I'm going to peel it and I'm going to dice it into very small pieces. Now, we don't want anything to be wasted, so I'm going to cut off all the excess flesh I get from the mango seed, and I'm going to add that to my hand blender, and I'm going to blend it until I get a nice puree consistency. Let's place this on the side, and we're going to combine our milk together. Here I'm going to go in with my evaporated milk, my coconut milk, my heavy cream, my condensed milk, and I am also going to go in with my pureed mango. Now, after adding everything together, I'm going to go in with my hand blender and give that a nice blend to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. Now that everything is nicely distributed, you will taste and adjust the sweetness by adding a little bit more condensed milk. So now that we're done with the preparation, it is time to add everything together. So I'm going to go in here with my milk. I am also going to go in with my sago and my diced mangoes. And now I'm going to start to make sure that everything is nicely distributed. This dessert is served better cold, so I am going to place this in my fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. And after about 2 to 3 hours, you are ready to serve. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. I do hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it for you all. If you would like to try this recipe and have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed for more delicious recipes. As usual, I would like to say thank you for watching, goodbye, and I will see you in my next video.